Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th, 15th chapter Statistics. In this chapter, today we will study what is average. So let's see what is average. So first of all, we will see the three examples. Now first one is the age of children in standard 7th is around 13 years. Second example is during the rainy season, Nashik gets about 75 centimeter of rainfall. And the third example is the journey from Aurangabad to Akola takes about 9 hours. So students, in this three example, here the word is used is around and about. So instead of using the word around or about in mathematical language, we use average. The word average, clear, in the place of word around or about in mathematics, we use the word average. So what will be your example now? What will be your statement now? So see the first statement, when we will use the average, the word average instead of around. So what will be your statement over there? Your statement will be the average age of standard 7th children is 13 years. Like this you have to use the word average in the place of the word around and about. Clear? So average means what we are doing? Average means that the samples of the quantity we are measuring are called readings or scores. Clear? What we are doing in average, we are measuring what the quantity of the samples, so that is known as your readings or scores. Now see how you will calculate the average of the given data. What you have to do is you have to take sum of all scores in the given data and then you have to divide it with the total number of scores. Clear? Now let's see practice set 54. Question number 1. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. Now students, what we have to find out here? We have to find out the average rainfall of the week. Clear? So how you will going to find out that? Now here the data is given in the rainfall is given in the millimeters. Clear? So see how you will going to find out. First of all, what we have to do? We have to find out the sum of this. We have to find out the sum of this given data. So how you will going to find out? Now here you will write down that sum of average rainfall. Clear? You have to find out this, the data, the sum of this data, that is 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12. Clear? So if you will add all this data, what you will get is you will get 86. Clear? And the total number of days is given. Now the total number of days, what is the total number of days is given. Now here it is mentioned each day of a week. Week having how many days? 7. So here you will write down 7. Clear? Now how you will calculate this? Now what you have to do is you have to divide the sum of average rainfall with total number of days. So here we will write down average is equal to sum of average rainfall divided by total number of days. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to divide this 86 with 7. So what you will get? 86 divided by 7. So what you will get over here? You will get, that is 12.29 millimeters. Clear? So what is the average rainfall of a week average rainfall of each day of a week is 12.29 millimeters. So here we will write down, therefore the average rainfall during the week is 12.29 millimeters. Clear? Understood how you will do this? 2. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? Now here the annual rainfall of Vidarbha is given. Clear? So what we have to do, we have to find out the average rainfall for those 5 years. So how you will going to find out? First we have to find out the sum of this given data. Clear? So how you will find out? Here we will write down sum of average rainfall. So what you will do, 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400. Clear? So what you will get over here, if you will add, you will get 3133. Clear? Now what you will do, what is the total number of years given? Total number of years, that is 5 years. So what you will do, you will divide. What you will divide? So how you will going to find out the average? What you have to divide? You have to divide sum of average rainfall upon total number of years. Clear? So what is the sum of average rainfall? That is 3133, and total number of years is 5. So if you will divide, what you will get? You will get that is 62.6 millimeter. Clear everyone? So here we will write down that therefore the average rainfall for those 5 years is 6 to 6.6 millimeter. Clear? Understood how you will do? Thank you.